ಕನ್ನಡದ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನ ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I'd like to say ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So I start saying a few words with the name of the being who has no eyes but he sees, who has no ears but he hears, God who is everyone's Lord, who has created different kinds of people in the world and has beautified the world likewise. So he has given us lots of blessings. Dear students, language is one of them. He has developed, he has taught us many languages to express our thoughts. It is a well-known fact that it is a language only by which we learn lots of things. So learning any language or have command over a language in which you speak or your fellow beings speak, it is very necessary to learn that, because when we know our regional language, we feel confident. We can learn the psyche of the people who are speaking that language. In this way, we can communicate with them in a proper manner, and we can understand their mind, we can understand their culture, and we can understand them well, so we can deal them very well. Dear students, this day is very important in the history of Karnataka, because this is the day when different regions of South India were merged together to form a single state. The Kannada speaking people were united on this day. That is why this day is celebrated, and it reminds you of the fact that you must have a very good command over this language, so that you can live a graceful life in this state. The state has welcomed different kinds of people, different kinds of people who believe in different religions, different faiths and different beliefs. So we should also cooperate and try to adapt ourselves with the atmosphere and with the atmosphere and the kind of environment it provides to us. So it is my single message to you that all languages have been created by God. Especially we should learn the language which is spoken by our state people, so we must learn it. Secondly, without learning language, we cannot learn any science. To learn the psychology of our people, to learn the culture of our people, to learn the way how the people deal with each other, we have to learn the language. And on this occasion, this is a very good reminder to all of us that we should develop a strong interest to learn it and to speak it as much as possible. Thank you so much.